million.
This is the news on this.
It's unclear. It seems to be the business deal.
Sorry.
The CBC's Kate McKenna in Montreal. Now to the fight.
4th of July to everybody celebrating the
In northern
United States.
Saskatchewan province, residents of the town of La Ronge, as well as the village of Air Ronge and the Lac La Ronge Indian Band, have now been ordered to evacuate their communities. It's a precaution triggered by a number of wildfires in the area, which are blowing smoke and particulate matter into and around the communities. Travel to the La Ronge area is restricted while the evacuation is in progress and the threat of smoke and wildfire remains. Meanwhile, in Alberta, lighter winds and cooler temperatures over the next few days will assist firefighters combating a wildfire near the North Talcree First Nation, located approximately 100 kilometers south of high level. However, the wildfire is still classified as out of control and continues to burn approximately 4 kilometers west of the community. There are currently 121 wildfires in Alberta, with 52 classified as out of control. And the threat of wildfires has prompted British Columbia to impose a province-wide ban on campfires and any other open burning. Much of BC has been hit with extended heat and extremely dry weather, and even as the ban was going into effect yesterday, several wildfires erupted. One was near Kelowna. CBC's Brady Strachan has more.
Fire crews are back fighting this fire in the Joe Rich area. Now, Joe Rich is about 10 kilometers east of Kelowna. It's a rural area. People have farms and horses on their properties. And this fire started yesterday afternoon and quickly grew to 80 hectares. Even from downtown Kelowna, you could see a massive plume of gray smoke billowing up into the sky. Shortly after, emergency officials evacuated 142 homes and put another 150 on evacuation alert. Fire crews were on the fire overnight. They say they were able to keep it contained to about 80 hectares, but there is a smell of smoke in the air, although you can't see that big plume of gray smoke coming up into the sky like we did yesterday.
CBC's Brady Strachan in Kelowna. Finally, the Greek finance minister has told a German newspaper that he expects a deal with the country's creditors on Monday, regardless of the outcome of Sunday's bailout referendum. Yanis Varoufakis told the paper that despite creditors' claims, the previous bailout offer is still on the table. Chris Morris has more from Athens.
Campaigning is not allowed on the eve of referendum day, but Yanis Varoufakis is still giving defiant interviews. The Greek finance minister said the rest of the Eurozone would lose €1 trillion if Greece were forced into bankruptcy. The question on the ballot paper tomorrow is complex and, in many ways, already out of date. It asks Greeks to accept or reject a proposal from the country's creditors that has already been withdrawn. Vote no, says the government, and we will negotiate a better deal. Vote yes, warn their opponents, or you face being kicked out of the euro.
There's the BBC's Chris Morris in Athens. And this is CBC News.